Winning the SEO Game, Part 1. Why SEO matters more than ever. If you want to get traffic to your website, it's important to understand search engine optimization, SEO. Up until about 2015, if you created a blog post with an interesting title and an eye-grabbing picture, you could bet that a lot of people would click on it when they saw it on Facebook. Since then, however, things have changed dramatically. Facebook realized that they were basically giving free publicity to businesses. So, Facebook started making it much more difficult for businesses to grab people's attention. If a business wanted to get a lot of exposure, they would have to pay for it. The end result of all this is that it's now super tough to get as much traffic from social media. You either need to have a massive following or be willing to shell out a fair amount of cash. This is why SEO matters so much. SEO is the process of optimizing your website, pages, blog posts, and more, for search engines like Google. If you understand it and do it right, you can get a significant amount of traffic from search engines. The general concept behind SEO is simple, but it's a little more complicated in practice. There are trillions of web pages and Google has to be able to understand them and give the relevant ones to searchers. One of the primary goals of SEO is to make your website stand out from everything else. So, how do you make your site stand out in the eyes of Google? That's what this tutorial is all about. We're going to give you practical, proven SEO strategies that will increase your Google rankings. Stay tuned for the rest of the series on winning the SEO game and local SEO tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Braunfels and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbraunfels.com. Like and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.